Hello and welcome to my Quarter 4 STEM project about the Big Bang Theory. Have you ever wondered how the world began? For many centuries, people simply accepted that the Bible says, "In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth." Genesis 1:1. During 17th, 18th, 19th centuries, commonly known as the Age of Enlightenment, science began to replace religion as a way to explain the physical world. Educated people used the scientific method in mathematics, physics, astronomy, biology, and chemistry. At that time, we saw great advancements in medicine and inventions like electricity and cars. Some scientists in that time wanted to observe not only stars, but faraway galaxies. Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer, discovered that there is some galaxy movement in the universe, and that together with Einstein's theory of relativity led scientists to think that the universe was not something static, but had changed and become denser and hotter since the past. That inspired George Lemaitre, a physicist, in 1927 to look backwards. He said that the reverse of growing bigger would mean that the universe was once the size of a single point, and that is the moment that the world came into existence. In 1947, Fred Hoyle coined the term Big Bang idea. Many scientists have tried to explain what the Big Bang Theory is. Basically, the theory states that the world began 13.8 billion years ago. Before this time, there was only heat energy. All matter was compacted into a very small ball with infinite density and intense heat called singularity. Suddenly, singularity began expanding, and the universe as we know it began. In that singularity second, electromagnetism and nuclear forces separated, forming two distinct forces, and the result was something called quarks and gluon plasma. Then a cooling period began. Scientists said that it took the next 379,000 years for these particles to combine to form protons, and neutrons, which turned into the first basic atom. From then on, our world has been forming over 13 plus billion years from that one atom. So is the Big Bang Theory possible? The answer is yes, scientifically. But there are many plot holes and missing pieces to the puzzle, like where did the atoms come from that started it all? Where did the heat energy come from? If there is no creator, what is our purpose? Was the human race an accident? And many, many more. I want you to take the facts from both sides and analyze your own conclusion. Both Big Bang and creationism are both possible and yet have many unanswered questions. It all comes down to faith and belief. Thank you guys for listening to my Quarter 4 STEM project. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something.